Hello friends, welcome back to the channel again, Code with me. So friends, in this video, this is quite different topic I have come across with. This is completely different from coding, but apart from this is one of the most important aspect in your life, which will be an assets in your life. I request you, can you please watch this video? It will be quite helpful for your life. Okay. So in this video, let us talk about few hints and ethics about communication skills. Obviously, friends. Obviously, if you are sitting in an interview, or even if you are with your friends, family, relatives, strangers, so there is some pattern to talk to each of the candidates. Okay, so the way you speak to your parents is completely different from the way you speak with your friends. The way you speak with your best friend is completely different to that of way you're speaking with your strangers. So, friends, in this video, let us give a little polish regarding communication skill. So in this video, I'm going to explain you the basic ethics which has to be followed if you want to show your communication skills to thumbs up in any interviews or trying to impress any situation. Okay. So before directly jumping to this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also the bell button so that you will be never missing my new updates. Okay, friends. So jumping to the video. So, friends, before directly starting with the ethics, let me give you a clear and small example story regarding a two-person named as Ram, so and another person named Shamd. Okay, so I'm trying to compare the communication between these two people which you're seeing right now. Okay, see, friends. So before the reason I have come up with the story because I want to know the exact what is the exact meaning of communication. Okay, so let us make a note of these two peoples, what are the habits and they possess and everything. First of all, friends, Ram is an uneducated, okay, and Sham was an educated person, okay. And next, Ram was knowing only a single language, okay. He knows only mother tongue, which is non-English, okay. See, he only knows to speak his mother tongue apart from English. Apart from that, he doesn't know any languages. And speaking about Sham, Sham was, since he was educated, he can speak multiple languages, and most important, friends, he was speaking a fluent English. So that was the reason. So that is the reason he was very good in English and educated and everything. Okay. Next, Ram was an extrovert in the sense since he was an since he doesn't know how to speak English, only good with his mother tongue. He was very good in making friends and influencing people. Okay, so that was the God's gift that is given by Ram. Okay, so Ram was very good in making friends and influencing people, how to impressing them, bending them towards them. I'm not trying to say gaining a control access to the friends, but I'm trying to say is winning over your friends. I mean, trying to influencing people was Ram was very good in that. And Sham was little introvert, so he used to always mind his own business. Okay, and Ram was extremely calm-minded, and Sham here was little stubborn. He likes to go things in his own way. So the reason what I'm trying to say here, friends. So apart from the basic two patterns of this Ram and Sham, which one who do you think had one of the best communication skill? Whether Ram had the best communication skills or Sham had the best communication skills? If you ask my friends, I would prefer Ram has the best communication skills. Okay, I'll let you know the reason. The reason is very simple, friends. See, friends, as I explained before, Ram doesn't know English. Okay, as told before, he doesn't know only he does not know any other language apart from his mother tongue. He was good at making friends. So if he is good at making friends, I assume, so it comes to the conclusion, friends, he was very good in his communication skills, where he used to influence people, make a lot of friends, and trying to bend over them every single thing. And most importantly, he was an extrovert and calm-minded. So you'll be having better skills about communication of how do you influence people. At the same time, speaking about Sham, since he was an extrovert, he does not had any friends. So, friends, if you think Sham was good in communication skill just because he, fluent English, friends, you are absolutely wrong. You heard me right, friends. Keep that in mind, friends. Speaking fluent English does not do anything with the communication skills. English is a language, friends. It is not a knowledge. English is just a language like your mother tongue, but it is not a knowledge. Just because Sham knows to speak fluent English, that doesn't make him one of the best communication holder. Okay, so in this story, I'm going to explain this, friends. I want you guys to become like Ram instead of Sham. I'm not trying to say that completely possess over Ram. So what I'm trying to say is try to inherit few properties with Sham like education, fluent English. At the same time, you also required extrovert communication skills. So in this video, I'm going to explain you. So what all the qualities that Ram had in order when he tried to influence people. Okay. So as I said before, friends, Ram was very good in his communication skills, due to which he can make a lot of friends, he can influence people, he can gain over much more people, and he could make a lot of friends in very instant of time. So, what are all the basics, ethics, and manners that Ram used in order to gain a lot of friends and became very good in his communication skills? Number one, friends, Ram used to have gentle smile and soft tone. Obviously, friends, if you're speaking with your friends, your family, even strangers, or even a needy person, you need to have a gentle smile. Speaking with a speaking with blank face, that shows like you're trying to demanding, you're trying to question them, you're trying to interrogate, and also maintain a soft voice. I'm not trying to say that you have to be zero tone. So trying to maintain that does not look rude. Trying to maintain a tone that doesn't look rude. So having gentle smile and a soft tone is one of the first phase of communication skills. If you pass that, friends, and rest everything will go smooth as feather. Okay, so first ethic which has to be followed is having gentle smile and soft tone. That is a basic ethics which has to be followed by everyone. Okay, next I recommend you is, friends, peaceful. Obviously, friends, if you're talking to a best friend, that is completely different story. Okay, conversation with the best friend happen in a extremely funny way. What I'm trying to say is, if you're trying to with your colleagues, your faculties, or strangers, or any officials, you have to be peaceful. For example, can you please pass me the pen? Can you please help me do this homework? So you can see here, friends, in my sentence there is a pleasefulness. There's a kind of requesting for an action. Okay, I'm not going to say, hey, shut up and do the works. See, you can clearly see the difference between the voice, please do it, and could you please do it? Asking like, could you please do it rather than please do it. So that doesn't, you can clearly see here the tone and the sentences make a lot of difference. If you ask me like, please do it, so opponent, the person who is hearing will tempt to get angry and will start a fight over you. So please do make sure avoid that. So please do have a peacefulness in your conversation. That will be a positive point for you. Okay. Next is, friends, Ram, you should respect the differences. That means he does not make friends based on their power, influence, background, money. He used to respect everyone. The way the respect the billionaire he used to give to the billionaire is the same respect he used to give to the poor person. He does not made any difference in the respect that is giving to a particular person who is talking to. He used to give the same respect to the every position, background, everything. He did not make any differences. He respected all kind of differences. He respected all. He does not focus on the position, money, background, and everything. Even if he's a poor person, or even if he's nothing to him, even there is no help that he'll be expecting from him, he to respect the differences. So that was one of the positive attitude that made Ram to gain a lot of friends. Okay, next, friends, I would recommend you is making the first move. This is one of the plus point in your communication skills. Okay, see, assume, friends, let me give you an example. Assume it was your first day of school or your first day of office. You'll be sitting next to a person. Obviously, you will be thinking, let him make the move, or let him talk to me first, or he will be waiting like, let you make the first move. See, friends, as a gentleman choice, I recommend you to kindly, please, you make the first move. You heard me right. Extroverts and people do tend to make a lot of friends, they will making the first move. Try to make the first move. I'm not trying to say is to completely over into them. Make a first move by gently asking their names and where are they from, and couple of questions which has to be asked for the first meeting. So in the first meeting, please make sure you do not ask any personal questions and everything. So if you're trying to make any friends, it's your responsibility to make your first move. So you're making your first move, so the opponent will think, I mean the person who is hearing you will think that you are completely an attitude free person. So that also implies to your communication skills. Okay. Next, friends, Ram always used to avoid arguments. Okay. Obviously, if you keep on fighting over a person, obviously you will be irritated to the every single person. So he never used to avoid for silly things and all. For silly things, small fights, Ram used to walk away. He never used to sit and completely argue and completely make up arguments. It's completely non-essentials. He used to avoid that. And last but not least, friends, energetic. No matter how bad the situation is, no matter how badly hurt inside the Ram is, Ram used to always cover his face with a smile. He never went sad or depressed. Okay. If you make your face sad or depressed, the person who is trying to talk to you will lose his interest to talking to you by just by looking to your face. Please do make sure you're always energetic enough to make cope up with every single person. Okay. So friends, in this video, I'm just going to say these are the basic techniques which has to be followed if you want to improve your communication skills. Okay. So and if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, friends. Have a nice day.